welcome back to our crazy kitchen. Scooch on over, please. This is part 2 to our first video, which we got to bake these magic confetti bars out of the Big Fun Kids baking book. So this is what we use. We're starting to do these videos once a week. We're picking a recipe out of the Big Fun Kids cookbook or baking book, or the Big Fun Kids cookbook from the Food Network, and we are making this recipe together in the kitchen, and then we are doing a taste test of the recipe. So the recipe that we did today is the confetti magic bars. This is it right here, and this is what the finished product looks like. And Kinsley and Paisley were the ones that made it with my help. And now I've created a little chart that we're going to use, and they're going to rate the dessert on how it looks, smells, tastes, how it feels, and overall. And so how they're going to rate it is with smiley faces. So they'll give it 1, 2, or 3 smiley faces. You guys understand? So we're going to start first with how it looks. So how does the dessert look?
Good.
It looks good. So how many smiley faces, Kinsley, do you think you are going to give it? You're going to give it 3? Okay, so you guys circle your 3 smiley faces. Paisley, do you like the look of it? Does it look yummy? Yeah? Okay. Here. So you circle your 3 smiley faces. So right here. Circle. Yeah. Good job. Okay. And now the next category is smell. How did it smell in here earlier when it was baking?
Good.
Could you smell it? It smells so good. I was vacuuming up the sprinkles off the floor, and it smelled really good. How does it smell, Paisley? Good? Okay, how many smiley faces are you guys going to give it? 3 again?
Yeah, 3.
Okay, so Paisley, you're going to give it 3? Does it smell really yummy? Okay, circle 3. Good job. Okay, now the thing you've been waiting for, the next category, taste. Should we cut into it? Okay, so we're going to cut into these bars and see how they taste. So if you guys didn't catch our first video, this recipe is nice and easy to make, and it's kind of fun for the kids. They get to sprinkle everything on top, which is fun. So it's perfect. If you got little kids and want to get them involved in the kitchen, this is a perfect recipe. Okay, now it's always tricky getting the first one out, I find, when you make something like this, but here it goes. Okay. Yummy. Look at that. Yum. Ooey and gooey. So I'm going to give you both an inside piece. Yummy. Look at that. So there's coconut, pecans, chocolate chips, peanut butter chocolate chips. You can change them up. In the recipe it says that you can try using different ones, so it's really up to you. Okay, so I got chocolate on my fingers. Okay, so now you guys get to taste it. Have a bite, Paisley. Put your marker down. Is it yummy? Yeah? Here, can slide on down a little bit closer to us. Is it good? What do you like about it?
Good.
It's good. A thumbs up. Is it sweet? Is it chocolatey? Is it peanut buttery? No, not really. Okay, have one more bite, and then we're gonna rate it. One more bite. You really like it? Okay, now let's rate it. So we're on to our taste line. So how many smiley faces are you going to give this recipe?
Very good.
Another 3. Okay, circle your 3. Circle your 3. Paisley, are you giving it 3? You really like it? You want to eat it all?
No.
No? No? Okay, then maybe give it 2 smiley faces. Why don't you give it 2?
Yeah.
If you're not really wanting to eat it all, then maybe give it 2. But Kinsley, you're going to eat it all?
I like it.
You like it? Okay. Now the next one. Feel. How does it feel in your mouth? That's kind of a weird question to ask you guys.
It's the coconut.
The coconut, is it kind of different
Yeah.
with
Kind
the
of
string?
Yeah, it's kind of crunchy.
Yeah. Okay, so would you give that 2 smiley faces or 3?
1.
A 1? Okay, you circle your 1. What are you going to circle? 1, 2, or 3?
It's this.
Okay. Okay, and then the last. Oh, that's the wrong one, Ken.
No.
So we're on this one. So circle that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Paisley's just coloring. Okay, and now, overall, would you make this again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you tell your friends about it? Would you share with your friends? Will you share with Steele when he gets up? Okay, so how many smiley faces are you going to give it overall? 3. Good job. Oh, wrong one again, Tim. This one. Last question. So if you're giving it 3, it's this one. Okay. Good job. Okay, Paisley, you can put your lid on.
My 8.
All right. You guys can eat your bars. Well, and that is a wrap for our part 2
No, please don't. What we're doing
of our confetti magic bar recipe that we tried out of the Big Fun Baking book. So go ahead, give us a like, give us a follow if you want to see more, and thanks so much for watching. Oh, and one other thing. Here is Kinsley's taste test chart. Here's everything she scored the bars on. And here's Paisley. She's just been coloring on hers. Our little 3-year-old. All right. Have a great day. See you guys soon. Say bye.